Hi dear friends, I will be opening a box from the GeoBest, and I purchased that item almost 2 weeks ago. It's came. You can see it has a custom check from the in Turkish government. Let's check. What did I purchase? And as you can see, it's the priority blah 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 post NL, and it's the Chinese firm, and it says its value, but in fact that's its value was almost $20. As you can see, camera sports TV fittings, value seems like $8-9, but in fact it's more than $20. Let's open the box. There we go. What's that? Oh, that's a XiaoMi's battery. As you can see, it is a XiaoMi's new battery. I purchased it from the GearBest. It was almost $3 or something